St. Lucia Island. St. Lucia is a charming destination for those longing for tranquility. Boasting its once-colonial past, it hosts the picturesque scenery of an eastern Caribbean island. Famous for its iconic Pitons, lush rainforests, and beautiful beaches, it boasts some of the most unapologetically photogenic scenery in the world. While many fly in to take advantage of the island's top-notch beach resorts and explore the quaint fishing villages, the melting pot capital of Castries is also a popular cruise port. One of the most talked about islands in the Caribbean is St. Lucia. It has a little bit of everything, from luxury resorts to fishing villages, and is a popular cruise stop due to its exotic, high-end destinations and natural beauty. St. Lucia has a lot to offer and has something for everyone. There's a bustling market with lots of city charm, as well as secluded bays to explore that are more serene. There are also Caribbean dance parties for those looking for an extra level of nightlife. Like and subscribe.